Là, ça filme, tu ne touches pas, ok? Ça filme, viens me prendre. Ouais. Ça filme. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor EULOGE Nkounkou, the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy, Warlura Kwachita, International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy, attorney, expert and a diplomat of the United Nations, and who are official, the Secretary General of the United Nations. So those has our card, they know that we are official. This is evidence. A lawyer talked with evidence, so they have it. As you can see, there is a tram now of New York. The tram, Switzerland, made the tram of New York. Okay, this is evidence. A lawyer talked with evidence, so we talked with the mission Swiss. Okay. Unfortunately, when the police arrested us, they copy this link. It was illegal because you cannot detain the document of a diplomat. But New York, Eddie Murphy in his movie Prince at New York had this vision. New York is the place that they brought our ancestors. There they die with cold and everything. New York is the capital of freedom. And Switzerland, you see, this is the mission Swiss. Okay, I'm showing that what we talked is confidential. When I get in mission Swiss, they didn't call police and everything. It's confidential. What I talked with China, this is China. You can see it. China is confidential. This is the card of China. Union mission. This is the card of Canada. Unfortunately, the country that I give a job with the cannot to negotiate with America to give job to American and Canada. I contribute a lot in Canada, Liberal Party and everything, leading petroleum to give job to Canadian. They welcome me outside, but China welcome me. China welcome me inside. Inside, they welcome me. J'étais impressionné par les services secrets qui, parce que je marchais là, qui ont quadrillé toute la route. Toute la route. La Chine est une puissance. La Chine, c'est un partenaire fiable parce qu'ils nous ont accueillis. Les diplomates, on a parlé et tout ça. China welcome us, we talked, and the Swiss mission also, the Swiss mission welcome us. A lawyer talked with evidence. But New York, who are the Secretary General, and Switzerland made the tram already for New York. Okay? If no one believes, behind there are Rothschild. But if no one, me, I don't fear Rothschild, I don't fear anyone. Okay? I fear the law. International law is Supreme Court, and international law is supreme, and we people around the world have more word are sovereign. But we have a partner that we are fighting for change. Okay, this is New York. You can read yourself. I'm Prince at New York. Why I'm Prince? Because I come from the Queen Kimpavita. Yesterday I meet Angola people. The Great Congo with K. So Angola, so we are there. But New York is also where, when they take us in Congo, they deport us in North Carolina, South Carolina. We fight them in Charleston. We fight in against slavery, and finally we get New York. So this is not a dream. You can see New York. New York is the capital of freedom of women, the capital of freedom of men, the capital of freedom of media, the capital of freedom of everybody, Russia, China, and everybody around the world. Voilà le tram New York. Ok, nous partons du tram 175 où on nous avait investi secrétaire général des Nations Unies. Maintenant, la Suisse a fait le tram New York. Donc je vais à New York. Moi, j'ai l'immunité de juridiction. J'ai l'immunité diplomatique. Mais vous n'avez pas l'immunité diplomatique. On peut vous arrêter à tout moment. Donc, je m'en vais construire votre sécurité, la sécurité pour tous. Mais I have immunity of diplomatic immunity, jurisdiction of immunity, no judge in domestic institution, national institution can arrest me. But I'm going to fight for you. They detain illegally, you don't have immunity. So I'm going to build security for all, cash for all, freedom for all, justice for all, job for all, and health, business, and economic and financial prosperity for all. Okay? So believe on that. We were elected by Mongolia until Australia. So we don't have any doubt New York will be where our ancestors died. There is one place they put them, I don't remember, but Eddie Murphy talked about that. Prince was elected Secretary General, and also made by, and also the second queen, the Queen Elizabeth II, raised us as a general of Force Navy and the Secretary General. And thank you to Pope Francis. Thank you to all people contribute. Thank you to China. You see, China is always in the front. They welcome me as Secretary General. So don't believe in the photo that Obama tried to show. Oh no, they arrested him. No, they arrested me illegally. As soon as they discover my immunity, that I'm free. Today is March 18, 2023. They poisoned me in prison. They poisoned me, but I don't care. I call Black Energy to quit it. But all people, les Africains, les Latino-Américains, les Asiatiques, les Européens et tout le peuple, les peuples du monde entier, New York, avec moi, avec le leadership, ça dépend du chef. New York, c'est votre délivrance. New York, c'est votre libération et c'est votre liberté. Merci. Allez, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir.